This initial solution will show you how to enable depth effect on iPhone. The depth effect on the iOS 16 lock screen can work with pretty much any image, not just portrait mode images. The image also doesn't necessarily need to be a photo that you took. Even images that you have saved from elsewhere on the internet can be used with the depth effect. Now let's see how you can get the depth effect on your iOS 16 lock screen. Step 1. On the lock screen, when unlocked, press and hold anywhere on the screen to bring up the lock screen picker. Step 2. Tap the blue plus sign button to add a new lock screen. Step 3. Tap the Photos button to find an image you want to use for your wallpaper or tap one of the suggested photos. Step 4. If necessary, use multiple gestures to pinch and pan the image around to crop it for your lock screen. Step 5. Select the three dots button in the bottom right and make sure depth effect is selected for the effect to happen. Step 6. Optionally, if you want to change the filter on the wallpaper image, swipe left and right to go through the available option. And the last step, tap on Add to add that lock screen to save it. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Initial Solution. See you in the next video.